So now I have two questions not related to this.
Okay, go ahead.
So first, I think there are three questions. First, is there a special Machtzor for the holidays? I couldn't find anywhere they have the law for Yom Tov.
Is it any special what? I didn't get. Machtzor?
Yeah, Machtzor.
Absolutely, yeah.
Regular is not
Absolutely, yes. For all, and all in my shul, it's actually they have in from old days. Even there is all sidurim like Machzors before art scroll time, from a long time. Some people bought themselves art scroll, but it's very actually convenient, very convenient. You don't have to jump back and forth, everything in its correct order. You just continue reading, like what to end, what to add, what not to add. Like for me, I play from a regular siddur. I have to jump to this page. Okay, these pages I skip. These pages I go like this way, forward, backwards. Okay, I mean I got used to it. I'm fine. But there is a Machzorim. It's very very convenient. Absolutely.
So why this seems to be like hidden? Because I tried to search everywhere and it's not anywhere. Only in the Chabad website it is.
No,
for
but
example, holiday Kiddush.
if you go to for Kiddush, so I mean I see what it is. Okay, so I'm not sure if they are available in an electronic format. I would not know. But if you need only Kiddush, so you see, they're not going to give you in no kosher person, no kosher website is going to give you in electronic format. Why? Because you're going to read on Shabbos or on Yom Tov from computer, from your phone. Who needs that? It's like putting a stumbling block in front of the blind. So in all of these applications, there is no Shabbos davening. I mean, the kosher ones. You understand? So the only why? Because as I said about this guy, so I'm not sure. You see, I'm just spoke, and I have to ask him if he has in his application. He of course he had a free siddur, like I mean online. If he had Shabbos davening, maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. There are some people who do not know. They're semi-religious or semi-something. So that they might have Shabbos davening, which is putting stumbling block in front of the blind. Absolutely forbidden. Same Machzor, they're not going to put. So you want to do it paper version. That's what it is. So that's correct. If the search did not return anything, that's correct. But if you just looking for separate prayers, there is no problem whatsoever. If you need just Kiddush, you can find Kiddush for Yom Tov. There is no problem. I think it would be available, right? Kiddush on Rosh Hashanah, Kiddush on Sukkot. So it's not on Sukkot, it's Shalosh Regalim. It's for 3 holidays, Pesach, Shavuos, and Sukkot.
In the Chabad website, it says like print before the holiday.
Yes. Okay.
But anyway, I couldn't find anywhere because what specifically I am trying to find is this is the example. It's Shabbat and it's the first day of Yom Tov also, and we need to separate between the holiness of Shabbat with the lesser holiness of the second day of Yom Tov. So what do we do and where do we find the exact text? Because this is not anywhere.
So I'm not, as I said, I'm not sure. So I mean, nobody would put it in electronic form. No God-fearing person would do that. Because Chabad said, print. He said maybe in small letters. How many people are going to print? Okay, so a person said, I do not have a printer. So what's the problem? I read from my phone everything. So I'm going to read this Kiddush, and guess what? That's on their head. Did they say print? Yeah, they say print. A person did not print.
So what is, because it says that the Havdalah is included in the
Yes, in
meal
the
of
Kiddush.
the
In the
first day of Yom Tov, maybe?
No, it's no, Havdalah. It's this. It was actually this. So first day was Shabbos, second was Sunday. So at the end of the Shabbos, we have to do Havdalah on two candles, right? And right? But it's in the middle of Kiddush. This Havdalah was in the middle of Kiddush, so you cannot go wrong.
For example, I have right in front of me the Ashkenaz Sidur in Sepharia, and it says Sukkot, and it has three subsections, and the first is prayers in the Sukkah, and it says entering the Sukkah, Ushpisin, leaving the Sukkah. Then it's another section that it says blessing on Lulav, and finally it says Hoshanot. But I tried to find the Havdalah. It's not there.
No,
Havdalah
Havdalah is a part of Kiddush, of Yom Tov. So I think it should be in Maaser. It's after Ushpizin. Ushpizin, just for those who do not know, Ushpizins are guests that we invite every night, right? From Avraham, Yitzhak, Yaakov, right? Moshe, Aaron, David, Shlomo. That's Shlomo. I think so. Right.
And also it says festivals, and it says Rosh Chodesh and Shalosh Regalim.
Yes, that's what I need. That's what I need. Shalosh Regalim. Yes.
But there only it is Amida for Mariv, Shacharit, Mincha, and then it's Musaf. But any case, I couldn't find the Havdalah. And this Havdalah, it says Amatil Bein Kodesh LeKodesh, but I couldn't find anywhere
It's a part of the Kiddush. I tried to search for Kiddush for holidays.
I tried to find it, but it's not anywhere. I put that exact part in the search in Bing on Google or Google.
Okay.
In Hebrew, it's zero results.
So I'm going to send you. Just remind me. I'm going to send you.